Okay, in today's video we're going to go through my build of the TTCombat security office. The set comes with the security office and these two stop barriers. I've just put it on the set of the animation I've just finished, which hopefully should be out within the end of the week. So I'll just give you a quick rundown of the building. It's a pretty standard build, just assemble, paint, and then a few washes and some dry brushing to weather it up to make it a little bit more abandoned and post-apocalyptic. Usually in tabletop gaming, which is what this is for, they usually leave the roof so it can be removed, so they can put figures in and use the building as cover and such. Personally, since I'm using it for animation, the roof is removable and so is this section of the wall, so I can film interior shots. Never distances, I took some clear plastic and glued them on the inside, which you'll see on the inside, around the windows. I also took a hobby knife and cut out window parts to be looking broken, and then ran the blade over to etching cracks and such. Put this mesh over the windows. You usually see kind of riot mesh sort of stuff over the windows of security booths and such. A quick turnaround. Wanted to give it an idea that someone had held out in here, pretty much like Tallahassee in Zombieland. If you've seen that iconic scene where he's holding off against all the zombies in the carnival booth. But obviously this guy, they got in. I may also film something similar to that with this at some point. Yeah, so I'm going to jump cut here and I'll show you the interior. Okay, so for the interior I've just shot a few little props in there to kind of give it a look. The door does function, as again these sets don't really, I'm meant to have the doors function, I don't think. Just use some tape as a hinge. But as you can see, I cut. Actually, see if we can move the light a bit. That's better. Right. As you can see, I cut the window. It's not the best job, but obviously, when you're looking in, it looks alright. Drilled some holes in for the window holes. And again, like I said, ran the craft knife over the windows, drawing the cracks. Table, radio, and stool from a 1/35 scale World War II set. TVs from TTCombat's Back Alley's accessories. I'm not sure if it's pack 1 or pack 2, but I'll put it down the screen. These are Foxbox ammo crates for Warhammer, Orcs and such. And that's kind of pretty much it for this. So yeah, I'm going to do a little slideshow at the end, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time.